Hey guys, it's Caitlin. She's today. Yeah, let's get started. We're gonna be doing one day store-bought slimes. Alright, let's get started. The first one is this pink slime. Alright, there's that one. Okay, this one's this mint. There's a mint. Alright, here's a magic unicorn one. It's a poop one. And here's a cupcake one. Alright, there's a cupcake one. Here is two slimes that I mixed together in a different slime. A pink and a blue. Here's the blue. Alright, guys, so yeah. And here is all my slimes for today. Is that pink one and the slimes. Please like and subscribe, and if you would like to watch more of my videos, turn on the subscribe bell and comment, please. Thank you. Bye.